Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. We have not released video for past 2 to 3 weeks due to some personal work. Today I will release one more video about how we have to use our MST iCore 2.0 indicator. It is very simple. As you all know, we have been trading based on the 4-line strategy. So assume that market has just starting now. It has just started now. See here, it has just started now. Immediately after the market has opened, we got 4 lines formed here. You could see here, top line 2 lines, bottom line 2 lines. Now what's our strategy? If the market has reached first to the bottom side, that is at 7420, we will be buying the stock. If the market has reached the top side first, that is at 7517, we will be selling the stock. Now what will be the stop loss? The top second line will be the stop loss for the sell entry. The bottom second line will be the sell for the buy entry. That's all, very simple. So now I'm just making the market to run. So market is about to falling down to first buy entry at 7420, but market it is not in our hand, so we have to wait. Whichever side it reaches, that side we have to take the entry. You can place the advanced sell entry, advanced buy entry. Whichever triggers first, you trade that side, the other side you can ignore. That's all. So we got the entry here. At 115. The high made was 7518 and our sell entry was 7517. I repeat, the sell entry was at 7517, the high made was 7518. Exactly our sell entry got triggered. And after that, in next candle also, the high made was 7519 and our sell entry was 7517. So again, second time also, sell got triggered. Now what we have to do? Come back to this indicator settings, select the settings box and come down. Since sell has been activated, remove the buy entry, enable the sell target, enable the second buy and second buy targets, and remove the second sell entry. That's all. So now why I am enabling second buy? Because I don't know whether the market will come down or it will go upside. For both the side I am ready. If market is coming down, I will be booking my profit. If the market is going up, I will be taking this reversal entry for recovering my loss and booking the profit for the day. So here what had happened, you can see yourself. So exactly sell triggered at 115 and the next candle itself at 130 itself we got the target achieved. In 145, 3 targets almost achieved. So now let me run the market. So once the first target is achieved, you can keep the stop loss to cost. Once the second target is achieved, you can keep the stop loss to first target. So likewise, you can keep changing your stop loss. If you are comfortable in booking only at first target and exit from the market, it is well and good. It is up to you. So now all the 3 targets have been achieved, yet the market is falling down. So now to know the extra targets, you can come down here and select the extra targets here I have given. See here, first sell target 4, enable this. First sell target 5, enable this. First sell target 6, you can enable this. Then first sell target 7, that also you can enable. So as per this, already we have given 3 targets by default and extra 3 targets also we have enabled. So all the 6 targets have been achieved. So the next line support was 7284, it was reversed back. That's all. This is the strategy. The same pattern is working in all the markets for all the script. You don't have to worry whether the market will go up or down. If you know a little bit of price action, you could have taken buy entry here with the stop loss of the green line. So you could have achieved some points up to here. Okay, and here also we got one pattern that we have taught you in the previous video about R3C. What is R3C? Rejection of candle. So that we have taught you. Here also we got one more confirmation for the rejection of candle. And here also we got one more rejection of candle, R3C. So we got the confirmation candle also. And once the high broken, we have to go for the buy entry. So we are getting multiple opportunities in a day to trade. This is I am showing with the default settings. And if you want to trade only in the afternoon session, you can select noon market. Here we have given extra options. Noon market, evening market, late evening, forex, late night also you can trade around 9, 10:30 to 11:30 if you want to trade while sleeping if you want to make profit. So that also possible. So all the options we have given, and recently we have added this buy and sell signal. So this also if you want you can use. I think I have enabled, yes. So if you want that also you can use. So we have given various options in a single indicator. See, as per the signal, when the cell got activated, it got activated yesterday itself on 25th August itself. It got activated. It is in sell mode only. So from here to here we are in a good profit if we are following that buy and sell signal tool of our indicator. So hope you understand how our indicator is working. If you have not subscribed to our indicator, please subscribe. It is available in various plan like monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly and lifetime. So if you want you can reserve your seat. We have given 80% offer for lifetime validity. So whoever wants to avail the offer, you can avail. In addition, we are also conducting price action, advanced price action course and advanced option trading courses at very nominal fee. If you are interested, that also you can join. And please refer your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel for the further information. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.